Hello and welcome to the Wealth Index channel, your one-stop shop for enriching not only your bank account but your mind too. Want to develop a healthy relationship with your finances? Then keep watching. We are here to build a financial wellness community that will not only change your life, but for everyone who wants to see a better version of themselves. This is your space to learn new and exciting topics that can help you improve your life. We are here to spread the word about the beauty of taking care of your finances to make money work for you and not vice versa. If you want to learn more about the tips and tricks in navigating the world of finance, we are here to give you a head start. Let me be your guide to the path of financial independence. Continue watching some valuable tips and tricks for setting practical financial goals. Building financial wealth can be a hell of a challenge, but even though it is hard, I'm sure you are here because you are up for the ride. Setting clear and achievable financial goals can provide financial stability and a growth roadmap. Our previous video discussed limited beliefs, self-sabotage, and fostering the right relationships to keep you in tune when heading toward your destination. In this continued video, we'll discuss the external factors that shape your mindset and a powerful connection that influences each other while fueling your personal growth. Let's get started. How do external factors shape your money mindset and self-worth? Being mindful of external factors can significantly shape your money mindset and self-worth. Societal expectations, cultural influences, and the media influence our money mindset and self-worth. How you were raised and the environment you grew up in plays a crucial role in shaping your money mindset and self-worth. Observing how your family manages and discusses money can influence your beliefs and behaviors. If you are exposed to financial struggles or negative attitudes towards money, it can impact your perception of your own financial worth and create self-sabotaging patterns. Our socioeconomic background and the people you surround with can influence your money mindset. Social comparisons and the pressure to fit into certain social or economic circles can impact your self-worth. Suppose you constantly compare yourself to others who seem to have more wealth or material possessions. In that case, it can lead to feelings of inadequacy or the belief that you are not successful enough, affecting your money mindset and self-esteem. The media and advertising industry often promote messages about wealth, success, and materialism. In this age of social media, we are frequently exposed to images of luxurious lifestyles. We are dictated by society to pursue material possessions that can give us a wrong notion of what it means to be financially successful. Suppose you internalize these messages without critical evaluation. In that case, it can create unrealistic expectations, fuel desires for instant gratification, and impact your self-worth if you believe you fall short of those ideals. Stay aware of this trap of illusions. Cultural and societal norms around money can influence your money mindset and self-worth. Different cultures have varying beliefs about wealth, success, and the role of money in one's life. For example, some cultures may prioritize saving and frugality, while others emphasize conspicuous consumption. If you internalize these norms without questioning them, they can shape your financial attitudes and impact how you perceive your own worth concerning money. Personal financial experiences and traumatic events related to money can significantly impact your money mindset and self-worth. Experiencing financial hardship, bankruptcy, or loss can create fear, anxiety, or a sense of powerlessness. These experiences can lead to self-sabotaging behaviors or a negative perception of your financial capabilities and self-worth. It's essential to recognize that while external factors can shape your money mindset and self-worth, you also have the power to challenge and redefine these influences. By becoming aware of the external factors that have influenced you, critically evaluating them, and consciously choosing your beliefs and values about money, you can reshape your money mindset and enhance your self-worth. A healthy money mindset can profoundly impact self-worth and foster confidence and abundance in various aspects of life. And now, what is the powerful connection between a money mindset and self-worth? How do they influence each other and fuel personal growth? There is an intricate relationship between money mindset and self-worth and how they impact one another. Some practical strategies to align your money mindset and self-worth for holistic personal growth and financial well-being will start with recognizing your worth. A healthy money mindset involves recognizing and affirming your inherent worth and value as an individual, irrespective of your financial status. Cultivating a positive belief in your self-worth transcends material possessions or external measures of success. This alignment between your self-worth and your relationship with money allows you to approach finances with confidence and self-assurance. Practical strategies to align your money mindset and self-worth for holistic personal growth and financial well-being include learning to take control of your financial situation and make informed decisions. It shifts the focus from a victim mentality or feelings of helplessness to a sense of personal agency. This empowerment creates a positive feedback loop, where taking charge of your finances reinforces a belief in your ability to create abundance in various areas of life. Have the power to embrace an abundance mentality and recognize that opportunities for financial growth and fulfillment exist. It shifts the focus from scarcity and lacks to possibilities and abundance. Adopting this mindset attracts more positive financial experiences, opportunities, and relationships. This abundance mindset extends beyond money and can foster a sense of affluence in other areas of life, such as relationships, career, and personal growth. When you have a healthy money mindset, it reduces financial stress and anxiety, which positively impacts overall well-being. When you have a positive relationship with money, you're more likely to make sound financial decisions, effectively manage your resources, and prioritize your financial goals. The sense of financial stability and security reduces stress levels and improves mental health and a greater understanding of well-being. Nurture your confidence and courage in pursuing financial goals and taking calculated risks. When you believe in your ability to manage money effectively and create financial abundance, you are more likely to step out of your comfort zone, explore new opportunities, and embrace economic growth. This confidence spills over into other areas of life, enabling you to take risks, pursue passions, and seize opportunities with greater conviction. When you have a solid financial foundation and a positive relationship with money, you have more options and choices in life. You can make decisions based on your values and aspirations rather than being driven solely by financial constraints. This freedom allows you to design a life that aligns with your true desires, enhancing fulfillment and overall life satisfaction. And that ends our video. Ever experienced self-sabotage? How did you overcome it? Do share them in the comment section down below. Always remember to believe in yourself, have strong willpower, and focus on the goal of financial independence. Money is a tool that could help us all achieve our dreams and aspirations. If you are experiencing challenges today, do not give up. We here at the Wealth Index channel can help you every step of the way. By developing and nurturing a healthy money mindset, you can transform your relationship with money, enhance your self-worth, and create a positive ripple effect in various aspects of your life. It paves the way for confidence, abundance, empowerment, and fulfillment. If you have any thoughts on the topics discussed in this video or any suggestions, leave a comment below. For more videos on wealth-related topics, just smash that like button and make sure you subscribe because your life depends upon it. Thank you for tuning in to the Wealth Index channel. Stay positive. Peace.